In the heart of the city, a silent soul lay forgotten, but we decided to give it a final act of respect. Today, in the middle of the busy city, we found a cat lying lifeless on the side of the road. People passed by, cars rushed past, but no one stopped. We decided this silent soul deserved more than being left alone like this. Carefully, I lifted the cat and took it to a nearby open field. The cat was placed on the digging tool, and I recorded a short clip, not for shock, but to remind people that every life deserves dignity. As I put on my gloves, a crow landed nearby, perhaps curious or waiting to approach the body. I quickly began digging in the grave. With each stroke of the tool, I felt a deep silence settling in my heart. When the grave was ready, I gently cleared the soil with my hands and placed the cat inside with care. It was a small act, but to me it was a reminder that true humanity is shown in how we treat the voiceless even in their final moments. Slowly, I began removing the soil from the top of the grave. My hands moved gently, my head carrying the weight of the moment. This was not just any burial, it was a final goodbye. Once the soil was cleared, I laid fresh green grass inside the grave, like a soft bed, so that this final resting place would also be filled with love and dignity. I then lifted the cat with great care. Her body was now completely still, yet my respect for her was the same as it would have been if she were alive. I placed her gently on the grass as if tucking a loved one in for the last time. After that, I placed another light layer of grass over her so that the soil would not touch her directly. Every blade of grass seemed to whisper the same message: you will not be forgotten. Then I began to slowly pull soil back into the grave. With each handful of the earth came a silent prayer that wherever she is now, she finds peace and mercy. I did not rush this process. Every movement was filled with care, as if I wished the moment would never end. When the grave was finally filled, I leveled the soil and shaped it into neatly, giving it the dignity of a proper resting place. Every edge was smoothed, every corner made clean, so it would stand as a symbol of respect. In the end, I placed a stone at the head of the grave, a marker to remember that here lies a small soul who was farewelled with love and honor. That stone was more than just a rock, it was a sign that this place once held a cat who was given her final ride with compassion. This moment left my heart heavy, but it also gave me peace, the peace of knowing I had given a voiceless being the farewell she deserved. Thank you everyone for watching my complete video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, follow us on my Facebook page and follow on TikTok account.